In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Zoom discount promo codes. First, open your browser and head straight to the official Zoom website. From the home page, look toward the top navigation bar for the pricing option. On a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon to reveal it. Select pricing to go to the plan's overview. This is where Zoom highlights current deals, built-in savings, and any limited time offers that might include promo codes. Once you're on the pricing page, take a moment to scan the top banner and the plan tiles. Zoom often showcases promotions right there with labels like save or limited time. If a promo code is part of the offer, it will typically appear inside the banner or near the price note. Make a quick note of any code you see, along with the terms shown in the small print, such as eligibility, duration, or renewal conditions. Next, look for the toggle that lets you switch between monthly and annual billing. This simple switch is one of the easiest ways to surface discounts because Zoom frequently builds savings into annual plans and the page updates instantly to reflect the reduced rate. If you see a strike-through price or a percentage off,